in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Hunting braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a media road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my auntie, got a young.
Don't play with a dog. Don't play with a dog. Don't play with a dog.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey, and if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So today is not Tuesday, it is actually Thursday, but it's still gonna be a weekday here on this channel. And today's wig is from ilikehairwig.com, so thank you so much for sending this unit over. If you want to know my thoughts and opinions about her, then just keep watching. Comes in this really cute orange and black box. There's also a little note that comes in there that says, "Hi, I'm what you've been waiting for." I thought that was really cute. On the back side of that note, it shows a way in which you can win $20, which I think is pretty cool. The package also came with a bunch of goodies. It came with a bonnet, 2 stocking caps, edge brush / comb, 2 clips for the hair, what is this called? Tweezers, and a rat tail comb. So here I'm just using my bronzer powder to put on the inside of the wig cap, but I've been thinking about trying the Ebin lace tint. Let me know what color you think I should get, because I'm not really sure what color would match my skin tone the best. I just know I need something a little bit lighter because the bronzer is a little bit too red for my liking lately. Here I'm parting the wig in different directions just to show that it can give a realistic natural parting look. Have you ever tried this? This is the Ebin 24-hour Edge Tamer wax stick, and even though it's the only wax stick I've ever tried, I really like it. But here I'm taking my curling iron and pushing the hair back a little bit. So I don't have a hot comb, and I need to invest in a hot comb because I feel like that will up my wig laying skills, if that makes sense. Something I also want to point out that I did not say later on in the video: pluck this closure. Later you'll be able to see that it's very thick, like it's very thick around the hairline, and I don't know what I was thinking. I clearly wasn't paying attention while I was laying the wig, but I would definitely go back and pluck it to give it an even more realistic hairline. The waves that came in this unit were very cute, but I wanted to put some curls in, and I just felt like curls would take this wig to the next level. And by curling the hair, I wanted to make sure that I curled it away from my face, just because I felt like it gave it a little bit more body. Okay, so let's talk about this unit from ilikehairwig.com. This is their fabulous trendy beach weave 5x5 wavy closure bob wig in 12 inches. It only comes in 12 inches, so there are no options for that, and there are also no options for small, medium, or large cap size. Granted, you know how I'm always talking about how if things are big head friendly or not. This fits my head pretty well. I have no complaints as far as that goes. As far as the cap construction, I showed you that earlier. It's your standard cap construction. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, the adjustable strap, the elastic band in it, and again, it's the 5x5 closure. The hair did come with waves in it because it is a wavy bob, but I did want to put some curls in it just to see how well it could hold a curl, and so far, so good. I'm actually kind of impressed with it. with this being a 5x5 closure, I can't lie, I was a little bit nervous because this is my first time working with a 5x5 closure. Most of the time I either work with 13x4s or 13x6s, and the synthetic units that I usually get and work with, they're like from ear to ear, or at least I hope that they're from ear to ear. But even though this is a 5x5 closure, like, I'm okay with my edges and my sideburns being out. I don't feel like it looks too crazy or out of the ordinary, in my personal opinion. I think my favorite part about this wig though is the fact that it is a 5x5. Like, I was scared about that, but at the same time it's my favorite part because look at this, y'all. Look at this. This wig is not glued down or sprayed down or anything. Y'all know most of the time I am quick to put my Gots to Be on, and I put the wrap, the silk wrap tie, and then the black strap as well. But no, none of that was needed with this wig. So like, I can, and she's fine. Glueless. We love that. The only con that I have about this hair is that there are quite a few of flyaways or filler hairs, those really short hairs that are just basically placed throughout the wig. I feel like there's quite a few of those, but at the same time, with me looking in the mirror, that's why I'm looking to the side, with me looking in the mirror, it kind of makes the hair look natural, almost realistic, as if it was like growing out of my scalp. It just looks like I got like a really good silk press and then got it curled afterwards. So yeah, I really don't have a lot to say about this unit, which I'm actually pretty pleased and pretty surprised by. I thought I was gonna have a lot to say again because it is a 5x5 closure, but maybe closures are the new wave. I don't know. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow your girl on Instagram. It is at @Dotson. My TikTok is also at @Dotson. Huge shout out and huge thank you again to ilikehairwig.com. I will make sure to leave a direct link to this wig in the description box below, and I'll also put up a coupon code right here and also in the description box below that you can use to save you some pointage off if you purchase this wig, or it might work on the site as a whole. I'm not really sure. But I will stop rambling now, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Black girls in my area cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got hips, some of us know, big nose, contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a media, bro, wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, wanna fat pretty like mine.